Wow, this place looks amazing.
Totally! I can't wait to check out the new models.
High five to that. Wow, what a crowd.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Let's go check out the new models.
I'm right behind you. Wow, so many cars!
Yes, we have sedans, SUVs, and sports cars. I'll show you the best ones first. Here's our showroom. You can check out any car you like.
Looks amazing. Where should we start?
Let's begin with sedans. They're practical and popular.
So, what do you think?
It's beautiful. Can I sit inside?
Of course, check out this screen.
Wow.
Wow, it's really snowing out there. Look at all the snowflakes. This is the best night ever. The seat is very comfortable.
And the legroom is perfect for long drives.
Wow, this black one is sharp. Let me check out the interior. The leather feels premium. Whoa, check out this SUV. It's so big and shiny. I bet it drives like a dream. So cool. Ah, this is the life.
We're going to be late.
Relax, enjoy the snow. I want something more spacious.
Then check this SUV. Perfect for family trips and comfortable for city driving.
Wow, it's really coming down.
It's beautiful, like a dream.
With the best company.
All right, Tom, I'll drive. Let's see how this car feels on the road.
Sounds good. You're a great driver.
Thank you. This steering feels very smooth.
Yes, the ride is very comfortable.
The parking camera is very helpful.
Yes, parking looks easy now.
Done. Let's go shopping.
This place is big.
Yes, and very clean.
Let's grab a shopping cart. I need milk, bread, and fruit.
And coffee. You can't forget coffee. These apples look fresh.
I'll take bananas.
Healthy choices. These apples look so fresh.
Yeah, let's get some.
How about bananas too?
Good idea. Excuse me, where can we find coffee?
Aisle 5, on the right.
This Colombian one looks good.
But this mountain roast has good reviews.
Let's get both.
Perfect, let's go. Here you go. Thank you.
I'll get the heavy bag.
Thanks, perfect.
Today was a great day.
New car and good shopping. Okay, we're here.
Thanks for driving, Sarah. Let me take these bags.
I'll help you. The kitchen smells nice already.
I cleaned it this morning just in case.
Good planning. So what are we cooking for dinner?
I was thinking about making pasta, something simple but tasty.
That sounds perfect. Or we can cook together.
Can you wash the vegetables, please?
Sure, these tomatoes look fresh.
Yes, we bought good ones today.
Be careful with that
Don't worry,
knife.
I've got this. This broccoli looks so fresh. Perfect. I'm almost done with the onions.
Great, this will be a nice soup. Today was very productive.
Yes, buying a car is a big step.
You stayed calm and asked good
That's
questions.
okay.
You explained everything clearly. This is delicious. You did a great job.
Thank you, and I'm glad we shared it.
Me too. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Good morning.
Good morning, Tom.
The sun is bright.
It is a nice morning. Today we travel. Yes, to Rome.
Let's get ready.
Okay. These clothes are comfortable.
I am ready. I am hungry.
Let's eat. I make coffee.
I prepare bread. Breakfast is good.
Yes, very good. Rome is beautiful.
I am excited. Do we have tickets?
Yes, here. Okay, bags ready. Are we ready?
Yes, let's go. The street is quiet.
It is nice.
Please sit.
Thank you. I like traveling.
Me too. The airport is big.
Many people are here. Here is my passport.
And the tickets. Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Our gate is there.
Let's go. I feel excited.
The flight is soon. Our seats are here.
I like the window seat. The plane is moving. Look at the city.
We are flying.
I love this. Do you want water?
Yes, please. We arrived.
I am happy. The flight was good.
Yes.
The flight was good.
Yes.
This way.
Okay.
This way.
Okay.
The weather is warm.
I like it. This is Rome.
Wow. The city is beautiful.
Yes. I take photos.
Good idea.
I take photos.
Good idea.
I am tired.
Me too. Look outside.
Amazing.
The hotel is nice.
Very nice. Many people here.
Yes. Let's sit here.
Okay. Italian coffee is good.
Very good. I love this city.
Me too. Let's walk.
Yes. This place is old.
And beautiful. This trip is special.
Yes.
I am happy with you.
Me too. The sky is orange.
So nice. Our journey begins.
In Rome.